While Aerosmith are jetting off stage at Disney's Hollywood Studios, there's some new kids on the block moving into this backstage alley. Today, we're previewing what rock and roller coaster could feel like with the electric mayhem in Song 2 taking over the soundtrack. And honestly, this chaotic energy kinda works. Kermit's stress, animals destroying the limo, and Dr. Teeth's probably turning this launch tunnel into a full-blown concert. Woohoo! Now let's go! Oh, and stay dad perfect out there.